Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Bhavya Suri and I am currently pursuing Masters in Management at University College London. Alongside my academic journey, I am passionate about upskilling myself with certification and technologies that help me stay ahead in this competitive world. Today I'm going to be talking about how I cracked the AWS Cloud Practitioner Exam, an entry-level certification offered by Amazon Web Services. I'll walk you through why I chose to take this exam, how I prepared for it, and what the exam was like, and some tips to help you ace it too. And here's a little challenge: if this video gets 100 likes, I'll reveal which companies moved my resume to next round just because I added this certification. So stay tuned and let's get started. So, firstly, what is AWS Cloud Practitioner Exam and why is it important? Let's start with the basics. This is an entry level exam certification by Amazon Web Services designed for people who want to learn about fundamentals of cloud computing and AWS services. It's great for beginners, whether you are from a technical or non technical background. So, why is this certification so popular? We all know that cloud computing is one of the fastest growing field today. Almost every company, big or small, is using cloud services for their operations. By getting this certification, you prove to employers that you have understanding and basic knowledge of AWS, which is one of the most widely used cloud platform globally. Trust me, it is. For me, I decided to take this exam for two main reasons. Firstly, to build a skill. Cloud computing is highly in demand skill, and having foundational knowledge is a great way to step in this field. Second, to make my resume stand out. Let's be honest, competition in the job market is tough, and I wanted something that could catch the recruiter's attention and give me an edge over other candidates. And guess what? It worked. Adding this certification to my resume definitely made a difference. Remember, if this video gets 100 likes, I'll spill the tea on which company shortlisted my resume after seeing this certification. So hit that like button and stay tuned. Coming on to the exam pattern, now that you know what this certification is about, let's talk about the itself. The cloud certification exam is very beginner friendly, but it does test your understanding of some key concepts. Here's the breakdown. The exam consists of 65 questions, which are mixed of multiple choice and multiple response questions. You get 90 minutes to complete this exam. The question covers topics like cloud concepts, AWS services, security, pricing, and architecture. The good thing is you don't need to have any prior cloud experience to take this exam. It's designed for people who are completely new to AWS. The exam fees was around 100 USD, which is quite reasonable for certification of this value. The passing marks has not been disclosed yet, but it is estimated around 70%. So you have to be consistent for your preparation. Coming on to my exam experience, so I took the exam online, so I didn't have to visit the testing center. Here's how the process worked for me. Firstly was registering for the exam. I logged into AWS certification portal, selected the cloud practitioner exam and paid the fee, which was around 100 USD. The registration process was super simple and user friendly. Second, on the exam day, I made sure I had a quiet space and there was no distractions. The proctoring was strict, so I had to show my ID and scan the room with the webcam. The exam started on time and I was able to finish it within the 90-minute time limit. Post exam, after submitting the exam, I immediately got the preliminary results saying that I had passed. The detailed score report was sent to me within few days over the mail, which I used for registration. Overall, the process was smooth and I didn't face any technical issues. If you are planning to take the exam online, just make sure you have reliable internet connection and a quiet space. Coming on to the main part, how I prepared for the exam. Now let's dive into how I prepared for this AWS Cloud Practitioner exam and what is the key to it. I made sure to use combination of resources to cover all the topics thoroughly. And here's what I did. First was free AWS training videos. The first thing I did was watch these video trainings, which are available on AWS website. These videos are created by AWS experts and are perfect for beginners. They cover all the exam topics in detail, and the best part of it, it is free. I'll add the link of this video in my description, so don't forget to check it out. Second was Udemy Question Bank. I purchased the question bank from Udemy, and this was a game changer for me because it helped me get familiar with the type of questions which are asked in exam. And the question bank had detailed explanation of each answer, which made it easier to understand the concept. Third is there's one YouTube channel that solves AWS Cloud Practitioner exam questions, and watching those videos helped me understand the thought process behind answering such tricky questions. Fourth was practicing question, of course. In total, I solved around 150 to 200 practice questions from various resources. This gave me the confidence I needed to face the actual exam. Coming on to the next part, which is difficulty of exams. So, how difficult is the Cloud Practitioner exam? Honestly, I would say it is not very difficult, but it does require consistent preparations. If you dedicate 1 to 2 hours daily of studying, you can easily pass the exam. And the key to focus is understanding the concepts rather than just memorizing it. AWS provides a lot of free resources, so take advantage of those and practice as much as you can. A few of the tips I would give you for the exam, which worked for me and helped me succeed in it. Don't think of this as a ticket to job. While certification add values to your resume, it does not guarantee you a job. It gives you an edge over other candidates. That's it. You'll need to showcase other skills and experience as well to get a job. Second is explore higher level certification. If you're genuinely interested in cloud computing, consider pursuing associate or professional level certification after this certification and delve deeper into the AWS certifications, and this will make you more confident and knowledgeable. Third is to stay consistent, dedicate at least an hour of studying. Even if you're busy, try to squeeze in some time to watch videos or solve practice questions. And fourth is understand and don't just memorize it. Take time to understand why a particular solution works. This will help you in the long run, especially when you decide to pursue advanced certification. So that's it for today. I hope my journey and tips help you in the preparation for the AWS Cloud Practitioner exam. If you have any question, drop in the comment section below. I'll be very happy to answer all those. And remember, if this video gets 100 like, I'll share which companies passed my resume to next round just because of this certification. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy learning and best of luck with